Listen, if you're tired, hungry, and don't feel like standing over the stove tonight, then this Chicken Alfredo Rice Casserole is gonna save your dinner. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Back here we have our boneless chicken breast. We have chicken broth here. Right here we have our rice. It's uncooked, it's already washed and rinsed. Garlic powder, salt, mozzarella cheese, some mixed vegetables here, some Alfredo sauce right here. This is store-bought. Now, if you wanna make your own Alfredo sauce, that's fine as well. Some crumbled bacon, black pepper, Italian seasoning. Let's get into it. So to get started, we're gonna sear our chicken by adding some olive oil here to our pan. Now guys, you could also use rotisserie chicken if you want to. That works well, but I didn't have any rotisserie chicken. I had these chicken breasts. So we're gonna cook our own chicken for this particular recipe, but definitely rotisserie chicken makes it faster. And once this pan heats up, we're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna hit that with a little seasoned salt, some black pepper. And we're gonna cook this about 5 to 7 minutes per side until it's cooked all the way through and we get a decent sear on it. So it looks like we're good with our chicken. We're going to go ahead and get that baby removed. We'll turn our heat off. I'm going to add it here to a bowl. We're going to head over to our cutting board and get this baby shredded. All right, guys, so we're going to shred our chicken. Listen, guys, you got to get you one of these chicken shredders. You got to. It's essential for your kitchen. So I'm going to leave a link to this baby in the video description. Definitely get you one of these. You just sit the chicken on like that, put this top on it like this, and you just go to shredding. And there you have it, shredded chicken. All right, so now I'm gonna remove our chicken and we're gonna come back once we shred all our chicken. All right, so we finished up on our last chicken breast. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a dish and we're gonna start building out our casserole. And so now we're gonna take the remainder of our ingredients and we're gonna dump them right here in this bowl. Now, if you was using rotisserie chicken, you just jump right to this step. It's really quick. So we're gonna add our shredded chicken here, along with all that juice that it made, our rice, chicken broth, Alfredo sauce, our peas and carrots. You add your garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little onion powder to mine as well. I didn't have that in the shop, but let's put some in there. Black pepper, hit it with a little salt, Italian seasoning. Now all we're gonna do is get that baby mixed up until it's well combined. All right, so we're good there. Let's move this aside and bring over our baking dish. While you're doing that, you wanna go ahead and get your oven preheated to 375 degrees. I'm gonna hit this with a little cooking spray. Once you do that, now we're gonna add our rice mixture. And we're gonna get that spread out around here like that. All right, that looks good to me. Now, we're just gonna add some aluminum foil here. Cover it up tightly. We're gonna place it in our oven for 45 minutes on 375 degrees. Let's get it in the oven. All right, so after 45 minutes in, we're gonna remove our foil. Looking pretty good to me. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to top that off with our mozzarella cheese. And guys, you know me, I called another audible. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese here too as well. What's Alfredo without Parmesan cheese? You know what I'm saying? All right, now we're gonna go in with our bacon, add that to the top. And we're gonna stick this back in the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Let that cheese melt, and we're gonna come back, all right? All right, so we're about 15 minutes in. We're gonna let this rest for about 5 minutes and let everything settle. That allows the rice and chicken to absorb that liquid. That way it's not so watery when you spoon into it, all right? So we're gonna let it sit here for about 5 minutes. All right, guys, after that 5 minutes, We're gonna hit it with some of our favorite green stuff. It's a little parsley. You know how we do it. And there you have it, a dump and bake chicken Alfredo casserole. So guys, we're gonna get this baby plated up, test it out. But while we at it, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go. All right, guys, it's quality control time. You already know we gotta bring that rice to the front of the congregation. Woo! Let's waste no time. Oh man, this is what I'm talking about. Man, this baby got some flavor to it. Woo! This baby's so Alfredo-y, ricey-y, chicken-y. Add this one to your list ASAP. And listen, if you use rotisserie chicken, about 5 minutes of prep time, about an hour of cook time, and you ready to go, guys. Definitely add it. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace. Good googly moogly.